Oh, hello, Julie.
Long time no see. I'm so really bored now and I need a break. I just want to go somewhere beautiful.
What about Halong Bay? It's famous and super beautiful.
I've been there 2 years ago, but this time I need something new and more exciting.
Okay, what about Jeju Island in South Korea?
Oh, I've seen it in K-dramas, but I don't know much about it.
Okay, let me give you some information about it. Goodbye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Nguyen and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are looking for a destination that combines nature, culture, food and Korean vibes, I think Jeju Island is the perfect choice. Why? Okay, let me give you the reason. Let's go!
Jeju is a volcanic island located south of Korean peninsula. It began forming 2 million years ago through a powerful volcanic activity. The island stretches 73 kilometers from east to west, creating a vast and diverse landscape. Jeju is also home to over 100 lava tubes, waterfalls, and stunning beaches. These underground caves formed by flowing magma are geological wonders. In fact, Jeju is recognized as a UNESCO World Natural Heritage Site. At the heart of the island is Hallasan Mountain, the highest mountain in South Korea. Hiking here allows you to enjoy forests, volcanic rocks, and breathtaking views. Jeju is not only a tourist spot, but also a favorite filming location for K-dramas like Our Blues, When Life Gives You Tangerines, and Welcome to Century, etc. Beyond the sights, Jeju is a food lover's paradise. You must try the famous black pork barbecue, known for its smoky, rich, and juicy flavor. Don't miss the halabong's oranges. They are incredibly sweet and refreshing. Also, the seafood is got fresh daily, like the savory abalone porridge. These local tastes are as unforgettable as island itself. Despite its beauty, Jeju faces serious problems. First, too many tourists lead to a lot of trash and water pollution. Second, new buildings and roads are destroying the Gotawol forest, which is the island's green lungs. Finally, the famous Hanyo culture is fading away because fewer young people. To save Jeju, everyone must help. The island is moving toward a carbon-free future by switching to wind and solar energy. Local people are also joining hands to protect the forests and beaches. As visitors, we should use less plastic and respect nature.
That's all and hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye and see you next time.